166 Schedule 1 Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council Constitution Election and Conduct of Business Rules 1985. His Excellency the Governor of Tripura has appointed G. Rao, Administrator of TPDC, to administer all affirmation to the newly elected member of District Council. So, I will call upon first CM will take off, as CM has been already elected in the first meeting and it is known by everybody who is CM. So we have brought here and he is sitting on the stage. Other members whom CM has selected, I will call upon their name one by one. Now first, Suhail the Burma has been selected as executive member. So I request Suhail the Burma to come over and take off. Oh, sorry. First, I call upon Purnachandra Jamatia, who has been elected already as Chief Executive Member, to come here and take off.
Ang Purnachandra Jamatia, Matai ni Manggai, Semai Tanggai, Sajawu, Hak Rake, Poito Nargai, Semai Tanggai, Sajawu, Ang Barat, Elembak ni Bisingti, Hazak, Kerono, Poito, Kubuite, Harap Bamui, Sajawu, Ang Barat ni Han Keplai, Te Bethalai Nino, Kapan Kulasa Kulai Kulai Hori Pongai Anabok Jak Atlok Han Tipra Samolok Kaitang Naipolzak Hankor Oksat Nagni Sarifang Adam Okra Ni Samno Bebak Ni Pagai Keboni Bekha Koyawi Eba Kima Kuri Kulai Eba Baksano Sajakna Ti Baksano Sajagya Klayawi Eba Kebono Korok Sabai Gedalui Eba Dojagui Samno Tanglak Hangkor Koksa Nami Jai Pang Adong Otra Anggui Kerong Me Bisingti Ano Sam Yaparjakmani Eba Ang Saiman Make Asamno Tanpro Kebo Bai Dadak Sidak Eba Kok Rekebui Sadak Blak
Ang Macang Suhail the Burma Kaitoni Mungui Semai Tangi Sajao Hak Rake Poito Nargui Semai Tangi Sajao Ang Barat Elembak ni Bisingti Hazak Kerono Poito Kubuite Harap Bumi Sajao Ang Barat ni Han Keplai Te Kethalai Mungno Kapang Kulasa Klai Hori Tangnai Anabok Jak Acukrem Tripura Tiprasa Baithang Naikoljak Hangkor Koksat Nogni Carifang Adong Okra Carifang Adong Samno Bebab ni Bagui Keboni Bekha Koyawi Eba Kirima Kiri Klai Eba Baksana Sajak Mate Baksana Sajak Klayawi Eba Kebono Khorok Sabai Gedalai Eba Pujagui samungno tangla hangkor kok chapnok ni charifang adong okra eba charifang adong ngui gerong ni bisukti ano samung ya farjakmani eba ang saiman ke a samungno tangpur kebo bai dadak sidak eba kok rekto wisagla hamai.
I, Srimati
Doliria, do swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will hold up the sovereignty and integrity of India, that I will faithfully and conscientiously discharge my duties as Chief Executive Member for the Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council, that I will do right to all manner of people in accordance with the Constitution and the law, without fear or favor, affection or ill will, that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person or persons any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall become known to me as Chief Executive Member for the foresaid District Council, except as may be required for the discharge of my duties as such Chief Executive Member. Thank you.
Ang Muchan,
Musang, Rajas Tripura, Taitone Mumbai Smaitanu Sajao, Hakarake Poitonarbai, Smaitanu Sajao, Ambarot, Ellen Bagni Bisintoi, Kazak Keron, no Poito Kuboite, Horok Bomai Sajao, Ang Barotni, Tangkorplai, Te Katalai Mungno, Hapang Hulasa Klayoi, Horoi Tongnai, Ano Bogzak Asukrem Tripura Dipasa Mulok Baithang Naikolzak Hangkor Kokzak Nokni Tarifang Adongni Samungno Bebakni Bagoi Kebuni Bukha Oyoi Eba Kirima Koroi Klai Eba Baksano Chazama Te Baksano Chazaya Klayahoi Eba Kebono Horok Sabai Gudalai Eba Bujagoi Samungno Tangla Hangkor Kokzak Nokni Eba Tarifang Adong Hongoi Kerongni Bisintoi Ano Samung Efarjak Mani Eba Am Saiman ke a Samungno Tangfuro Kebo bai dadak sidak Eba Kok Rekoi Sagla.
Ang Muchan,
Boboranjan Riam, Paitoni Mongui, Sumai Kangui Sajao, Kakurakte Poito, Narugui Sumai Kangui Sajao, Ang Barot, Ilembagni, Bisintui, Hajak, Kerong No, Poito Kubui, Te, Korok Wangui, Sajao, Ang Barotni, Han Puklai, Te, Putalai Mung, No, Kapang Kulasa, Klayui, Horoi Tungai, Angno Bagjak, Achokrem, Tipra Sunduk Mulok, Baithang, Naikolja, Hangkor, Koksak Nokni, Charifang, Adungni, Samung, Bebagni Bagui, Keboni, Bukha, Boyawi, Eba, Kirima Kurui, Klaiwi, Eba, Baksano, Sajagma Te, Baksano, Sajagya, Klayawi, Eba Kebono, Korok Sabai,
Budalui iba Boijagui Samungno Tanglak Hangkor Kopsak Nokni Charifang Adung Ungui Jerongni Bisingtui Ang Samung Yafarjak Mani iba Ang Simon Ke Os Samungno Tangfruk Kebo Bai Dadak Sidak iba Kau Ritui Songlap Hambai
Kaitordi Mungri Samai Tangi Sajau Kakrakhe Uidunaragri Samai Tangi Sajau Ang Bharat Elembag Ni Bisingti Khajak Kerongno Uidu Ubuite Khorok Bomui Sajau Ang Bharatni Phan Kaplai Tei Kathalai Mungno Khapang Khulasa Khlai Hori Tongnai Ano Bogjak Achukrem Tripura Iprasa Muluk Baithang Naikoljak Hangkor Kokchap Nokni Charifang Adungni Samungno Bebakni Bagi Kebuni Bekha Khoyawi Eba Kirima Gerei Khlai Eba Baksano Chajakma Ei Baksano Chajakya Khlai Eba Kebono Khorok Sabai Godalui Eba Huijagui Samungno Tanglak Angkor Kokchap Nokni Charifang Adong Ungui Kerongni Bisingtei Ano Samung Yafarjakmani Eba Ang Saimankhe A Samungno Tangfruk Kebo Bai Dadak Sidak Eba Kok Rekiwi Saglak Hambai
Ang Bhutan
Ang Muchang Chittoranjan Deborma Kaitorni Mungbai Sumai Tangai Sajau Hak Rakhe Oito Nargoi Sumai Tangai Sajau Ang Bharat Elembagni Bisingti Khajak Kerongno Oito Gugui Tei Khorok Bomui Sajau Ang Bharatni Phan Kaplai Tei Kathang Baimungno Khapang Khulasa Khlai Hori Tongnai Ano Bogjak Achukrem Tripura Songduk Molong Baithang Naikoljak Hangkor Kokchap Nokni Charifang Adongni Samungno Bebakni Bagui Kebuni Bekha Khoyawi Eba Kirima Gerei Khlai Eba Baksano Chajakma Tai Baksano Chajakya Khlaiyawi Eba Kebono Khorok Sabai Godalui Eba Huijagui Samungno Tanglak Hangkor Kokchap Nokni Charifang Adong Ungui Kerongni Bisingtei Ang Samung Yafarjakmani Eba Ang Saimankhe A Samungno Tangfruk Kebo Bai Dadak Sidak Eba Kok Rekiwi Saglak
Ang Bhutan
Ang Muchang Kongkongkoloi Kaitorni Mungbai Samai Tangi Sajau Kakrakhe Uidunaragui Samai Tangi Sajau Ang Bharat Elembagni Bisingtei Khajak Kerongno Uito Kubuitei Khorok Bomui Sajau Ang Bharatni Phan Kaplai Tei Kathalai Mungno Khapang Khulasa Khlai हरै तंनाय आनो बकजाक आचोग्रेन त्रिपुरा सामुलक बायथां नायकनजाक हांगर बकजाक नकनि जारिफां आदंनि सामुन बेबागनि बागै केबलनि बोखा गयावै एबा गेरेमागोरै खोलायै एबा बाक्सानो जाजाक माते बाक्सानो जाजागिया खोलायावै एबा केबलनो खरक साबाय गदालै एबा हुइजागै सामुनो तांला हांगर बकजाक नकनि जारिफां आदं अंगै गेरंनि बिसिते आनो सामुया फाजाकमानि एबा आं साइमान के आ सामुनो तांक्रो केबोबाय दादाक सिदाक एबा रेकेवै साबला जोबनानै थांबाय।
We are almost concluding. Our function is concluded. And I request all the guests, leaders, peoples, dignitary personalities, whoever attended these occasions